I wanted to show you my Starlink setup today, specifically how I plugged the antenna in to the bus rather than like a cord going out the door or the window or something. So I've got a setup and I'd love to show that to you. Okay, holes drilled from the outside, the cables run, a Starlink cable up the A-frame, A-arm, whatever you call those, A something, A-pillar, and then down the wire run, the electronics. There's the Cat 6 power over Ethernet, female to female, aluminum with beautiful workmanship, a waterproof cap. All right, there it is. Extension cable's plugged into it. It's nice and tidy. Everything's nice and clean. And put the housing back on now. I got this mount from Etsy, and I've only purchased from Etsy a couple of times, but I got this mount from Etsy. It is printed, but it seems really 100% solid. It's got a really nice brass, I think what, 1/4-20 insert in it. The tripod is 40 millimeter carbon fiber off of Amazon. It is just phenomenal. I do use it for a number of different things, but it is just perfect for using it when I'm needing the Starlink. It's watertight and it's really nice. So you just unplug that, plug in your Starlink antenna wherever you've got it set up, and there you go. You could even run it up to the roof if you wanted to, or hang it off that mirror. My GLNet Slate 7 router connects automatically to the Starlink when it detects it on the LAN, actually the WAN, I'm sorry. And so there's no messing around. I did do a video about the Slate 7, and I will probably put a link somewhere. I'm not good at this YouTube stuff yet, but I'll put a link somewhere, or you'll find it in my playlist. But yeah, so it's really no fuss, no muss. And so if I disconnect the Starlink, then it will just find the next available connection that I have in saved settings in the Slate 7. So pretty cool setup, really no muss, no fuss.